The Smart City Solutions Guide provides industry, cities, and academia with the first of its kind platform for sharing knowledge on all things mobility within a smart city environment. The platform provides today's richest and most comprehensive source of validated information on smart city solutions being delivered on a worldwide basis. The platform provides access to details on an extensive range of deployed solutions from around the world. In developing the platform, H3B Connected are overcoming the lack of central repository of validated information on the smart city mobility domain. We want this to be a platform that help those in the positions of influence over procurement decisions to have access in a single location to validated information on a full range of deployable solutions across all smart city domains. We want the platform to support the potential for the supply chain to be able to present their solutions in a centralized location where they can demonstrate how their solution actually delivers benefits and that there is quantifiable evidence to back these delivery claims, again validated by H3B Connected staff. We see the knowledge partners having the ability through the presentation of their thought to be able to influence the shape of the market to address the future needs of mobility. These thought leaders will create a dynamic environment where they share their views on what challenges the market faces and how best to resolve these. We want the platform to encourage collaboration between industry, cities, and academia to deliver the solutions that are needed. We see the platform being an ideal way for the supply chain to identify partners to deliver a complete solution for today's complex projects. Cities will showcase the work they have done in delivering smart city solutions, including honest feedback on their outcomes. The cities will also share their plans for future, outlining what their longer-term objectives are. Academia will demonstrate how they can collaborate in the development of innovative first-of-its-kind solutions in partnership with industry and cities. What I will show you now is the actual platform itself and how you could be an active contributor to the platform for the benefit of your organizations. H3B Connected has broken down the mobility domain into a number of discrete sectors, with each sector divided into further domains. The platform provides our industry knowledge partners with the opportunity to share their views on each domain. For example, if we select the transport management sector, we are presented with a collection of information panels: thought leadership, industry insight, additional industry commentary, solutions, city perspective, research. Within each sector, the further decomposition into further domains is shown. Again, each of these domains is able to be supported by a knowledge partner. The Thought Leadership panel expands to reveal industry commentary produced by one of the leading suppliers in the transport management domain. Here, the knowledge partner provides their views on this domain and the challenges being faced both now and in the future. It provides an insight into the issues that anybody seeking to deploy a transport management platform will need to consider, providing them with the opportunity to influence the readers. To further support the information provided in the Thought Leadership section, any articles, what's new, client view, events, roundtables, videos, and white papers produced by the knowledge partner will be accessible via these buttons. The Industry Insight panel is expanded to reveal industry commentary produced by H3B Connected domain experts. This is a considered view of the domain as it is being experienced on different projects around the globe by our staff who are actively involved in delivering such projects. Again, to further support the information provided in the Industry Insight section, any articles, what's new, client view, events, roundtables, videos, and white papers produced by the knowledge partner will be easily accessible. The additional industry commentary panel also expands to reveal further industry commentary on a company-by-company basis. This generally presents the views of leading suppliers in the industry who we call our knowledge associates. It can also be the views of an independent industry guru. This again provides an opportunity for the supply chain to influence the thinking of those involved in the procurement and buying process. Again, to further support the information provided in the additional industry commentary section, any articles, what's new, client view, events, roundtables, videos, and white papers produced by the Knowledge Associates will be accessible. The Solutions panel expands to reveal those solutions that, in this case, provide a transport management capability. What we see here is a collection of solutions from suppliers across the globe. Select one of the solutions to reveal the business-focused details of that particular solution. What is presented is a number of headings covering the details of the solution, but presented with a business focus rather than a sales focus. Each panel expands to show the details regarding the solution overview, the business objectives, detailed description, whether the benefits were realized and to what extent, applicability to other cities, where deployed, and customer testimonial. Each element of the solution descriptions provides a sufficient information to enable a reader to establish whether the solution is a potential answer to their own challenge, thereby making choice selection more informed. This could be to overcome a project need or for a particular solution to be part of a bigger project offering by addressing a shortcoming in the capability of the lead project partner. The platform will support the identification of innovative partners to meet niche needs of a bigger tender opportunity. The solution description provides suppliers with the ideal opportunity to demonstrate that their solution actually delivers the claimed benefits, making it the best choice in this domain. To support this, the H3B Connected staff undertake an independent validation of the claims being made by the supplier to ensure that the information being provided can be trusted. The cities panel expands to reveal those cities that, in this case, have deployed or are planning to deploy a transport management solution. What we see here is a commentary from a number of cities from across the globe. When we select one of the cities listed, we see the information regarding that city and their plans for implementing transport management solutions. This information is of value to other cities planning to deploy such a solution. It also helps inform the transport management industry players as to what prospective clients are planning to implement in the near future. The research panel expands to reveal those research institutes or government-funded research programs that in this case have or are planning to undertake targeted research into transport management. What we see here is a commentary from a number of universities and research bodies from across the globe. When we select the University of Melbourne, we are presented with information regarding that city and their plans for implementing transport management solutions. If we return to the transport management landing page, we can select one of the identified subdomains. If we, for example, select multimodal transport management subdomain, we see a very similar structure to that of the transport management domain, but on a much more granular level. We again see the panels as we did before, which provide the following: thought leadership, industry insight, additional industry commentary, city perspective, and research. This time, the information is focused on multimodal transport management, so as different organizations providing the thought leadership with H3B Connected staff providing the industry's insight. What you also see are the individual panels for each of the subdomains we have identified in the multimodal transport management domain. Again, each of these subdomains is supported by its own knowledge partner. If we select public transport, we are presented with information focused on the public transport domain. We again see the panels as we did before, which provide the following: thought leadership, industry insight, and solutions. What you are seeing is information presented only where it exists. In this case, we have not included any cities or research content. That will be displayed as it is validated by the H3B connected staff, with the site being updated accordingly. Where the amount of information contained in one of the panels is extensive, we limit the information presented initially. What the reader is presented with is the initial information, with the option at the bottom to go to the full article. Likewise, if the reader is happy with what they have read, they can select the up arrow to compress the panel again. Again, the full article provides potential buyers with the ability to understand what the solution is capable of delivering. This case study format has been validated by the H3B connected staff to ensure the information being presented can be trusted. The menu structure of the site is easy to use. We provide a breadcrumb trail of the select options, enabling the reader to go back to any level previously visited. If we quickly return to our previous location, I will show you the other navigation options available. Back to where we were, so this time, rather than use the breadcrumb option, we use the buttons available on the menu panels at the bottom of each page. This button again takes us to the thought leaders for each domain. For those who want to quickly navigate to a specific domain topic, we list the full range of domains accessible via the Category menu button. The user can then select the domain they wish to see and go straight to that page. What I have shown in this run-through of the platform is the depth of information available. Hopefully you appreciate the opportunities the platform presents to enable industry, cities, and academia to share their information for the benefit of all. We would love you to be part of this exciting adventure. For further information on how you can participate, contact us on info@h3bconnected.com or call us on +44 020 8254 9406. Thanks for watching and listening.